to a new video slash short, maybe both. Let's see how it performs. Whatever. Today we're doing the day of Gummy Bear 3000. He said we should play a hardcore server without powers, or we will order. So we're a bit cooked, but I think we're 100% gonna succeed in winning. I hope so. It will be a long way till you see what I've done in this whole video.
Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light.
Yes, our Superman of Ultra Instinct. You will ask our.
Green light. Red light.
But he killed the fresh-looking
Green light.
So the guy behind me is dead. Oh yeah. And
Green
now
light.
the best part of the video.
Red light. Green light.
Yeah, I'm dead. Bye.